Raising a child can be a demanding, exhausting task at times, as Littlebird has found with life with Sparrow's mother. In order to get out of the house for a little bit and have a moment to herself, she's decided to sign up to dog walk, leaving the bully in charge of Sparrow while she's gone. Unbeknownst to her, she's about to have a very interesting first client.
Littlebird stands before a small blue house with about 20 "Beware of Dog" signs posted around the fence.
Oh, you're the dog walker?
Littlebird looks at the man, equally perplexed.
No, I just wasn't expecting a human. Much like you weren't expecting a werewolf, apparently. Look, I get it if you're. Excuse me? No. This isn't some kink thing. Look, there's no easy way to explain this, you see. I'm a werewolf, so you might expect my sons to be the same, right? Right. Except they aren't wolves, they're dogs. Not literal dogs, no. Do you have any idea how weird that'd be? Dog, walk thyself. Glad my dad humor can still appeal to the youth, but no. They're were-dogs, in essence. Chauncey is a Pomeranian. Kit is an Irish wolfhound. And Dave is a golden lab. They're mostly tame. They just cannot do a single thing as a group without one of them causing mayhem. You basically just be walking with them around the park and keeping them from chasing after someone or fish fighting squirrel boys or. Well, you get the idea. So what do you think?
He laughs this time and extends a hand to shake.
You wondered why it paid so good. Yeah, fair. Shake on it?
Littlebird shakes his hand, amused by how large and awkward he's being. She wonders if she ought to tell the bully about this.
Want to come in and meet the boys? It's totally okay if not. I get it. Sure, let me call them out front. Chauncey, Kit, Dave.
3 young men hurry over, toppling over each other in excitement.
Friend? New friend?
The excitable blonde that Littlebird assumes is Dave sniffs at her.
Guy's new friend?
The tallest one, Kit, glowers down at Littlebird and rumbles in a thick Irish accent.
Or they're an intruder. Arrgh. Kit, for the love of the moon, you're from California. Calm down with the accent.
Kit lets out an embarrassed whine and slinks around Littlebird, apparently very interested in the fence now. The smallest boy looks at Littlebird with an impressive mix of a stuck-up sneer and a funny face.
You don't look like you carry fancy purses. Dude, don't just spring your fetish on a new human. How dare you mock my desire to be in small, safe places where I can chew on lipstick?
Littlebird looks at her dad, doing her best not to laugh. He looks back at her with a defeated shrug.
Just be good for the human, okay? I love you, boys. Ah, we love you too, Dad. But if I don't get a break from you three, I'm going to eat my own tail. That's that's funny. Hey, you're really pretty. I bet you're his type. He has been single since the Stone Age. Ah, Ricardo, get out. Enjoy your walk.
With that, the werewolf hurries back inside and slams the door behind him.
So, you're the one in charge of whipping us into shape, Well, let's see what you got then. Psh, yeah, right. Using you don't have to come with if you don't want on me isn't gonna. Hey!
Little Bird turns and starts heading towards the park, the boys quickly falling in line behind her.
You can't just walk off. You're responsible for us. The human's right. We're grown. We can handle ourselves. We're responsible for us. Yeah, we are pigeon. Dave stops mid-lunge, looking at Little Bird with a cocked head. Really? There are fatter pigeons at park? Ooh. Tell me how fat they are, human. Pretty please. Aye. Are we talking like baseball or... Do you think a pigeon would ride in a purse? Ooh, I am so jealous. Let me take off my hat. Hang on, and dramatic hair flip. I am so jealous. Car. You idiot. There are lots of cars. You're both are idiots. Come on, cross the street and try not to die. But I smell hot dog vendor. Really? You'll get us hot dogs if we behave ourselves, and I will defend you and your honor with the utmost seriousness. I am prepared to die. I am prepared to scream at the highest of volumes. Guys, there are cars here. Cars.
A few hours later.
Ah, human. Ah, thank the gods. I was just about to come looking. The boys are... well, they're clean. And they're not in handcuffs. The human counted 5 pigeons with us, Dad, and then we got hot dogs and lemonade. I ran 50 laps around the park and spooked off some funny-looking men. There was a priest, Kit. But look! The human found a purse that doubles as a hat. See, are you looking, Father? Are you looking? I'm looking. 'Tis a hat and a purse. I am made whole. Well, I'm glad you boys had fun. Go get washed up for supper and say thank you.
The boys holler thank you and race inside while the werewolf shakes his head in disbelief.
Ah, damn. I was worried this would end in a lawsuit. But you managed them. No problem. Here's your pay for the night. So, are you interested in making this a bi-daily thing? Same page, time? Great. I'll see you tomorrow then. Same time, same place. Wonderful. And ignore them. The me being single thing. They think they're helping. I guess I did find the right one tonight in some regard. I never thought anyone would be able to get them to calm down like that. You're a real miracle worker, eh? Have a good night there.
Little Bird turns, shaking her head as she walks away. She can't wait to tell the bully about what an unexpected adventure the dog walking had turned into.